How to stop armpit sweating with baking soda. Armpit sweating could be an embarrassing situation if you are in a place where there is a gathering of people and you have not applied any antiperspirant. Not only would the armpits smell awful, but the armpits also would look bad too, making you feel less confident of yourself in the gathering. This article is about how to stop armpit sweating with baking soda. There are a number of home remedies that you could make use of to do away with armpit sweating. One such easy and effective home remedy to cease armpit sweating is using baking soda. It is but natural to sweat. A human body should sweat, but excessive sweating is something that normally people tend to curb. Using baking soda as a remedy could be a good alternative home remedy for the excessive sweaters. You may make use of the baking soda that is readily available in houses and see how the baking soda works in doing away with your excessive sweating problem. Baking soda quite effectively absorbs moisture. It is this quality of baking soda that is harnessed for making it an herbal antiperspiring agent. The method of making the concoction is as follows. Ingredients required for making the concoction: 1. Baking soda. 2. Water. 3. Essential oil, any. With the above 3 ingredients alone, we would be able to find our answer for the question of how to stop armpit sweating with baking soda. The procedure of using baking soda on the armpits: mix the baking soda with water. It is the consistency of the mixture that would eventually help you to cease armpit sweating. This concoction of water and baking soda should become like a thick paste. Add only about some drops, 2 or 3 would do, into this mixture of baking soda and water. This is the secret ingredient. The fragrance of the essential oil that is added would linger on from the armpits even if the baking soda and the water may have evaporated. The baking soda and water combination is acidic in nature and would eventually evaporate after a while by turning into gas. How to stop armpit sweating with baking soda is not a difficult question to give answer to. If one practices the above-mentioned procedure on a regular basis, he/she would eventually be able to teach his or her body to dry the sweat-causing glands faster. Things to remember. The above-mentioned mixture should be applied in the underarms for about 25 minutes only. Thereafter the same should be washed off. Preferably apply the mixture onto some clean and shaven armpits only. Apply some kind of moisturizer of 2 to 3 hours, applying the baking soda and water concoction. When applied on a regular basis, the baking soda has the power to make you forget using the antiperspirants that are normally used for by the people. This applied to the excessive sweater as well as the normal sweaters. Now you know how to stop armpit sweating with baking soda. Experience armpits that were never this dry with baking soda.